So here we are in front of the San Luigi de Francesi, and here's this cool dragon spewing forth what hopes are flames and not vomit. And it's really cool. Look at this. It's got scales, even little tiny scales down by the foot. Isn't that neat? It's pretty. And it says Eric Cristiano Lumen Invigne. Oh wait, in Igne. There is Christian illumination in fire. The fire of the dragon.
Fire.
So that's exciting.
Yes.
What's not exciting is that they're taking a little siesta. That's right, because it's 1 p.m. and they're closed for a nap. A lunch nap. So I'm very sad, but somewhere inside this beautifully bolted door are 3 Caravaggios, which are really, really cool.
Ooh.
And we hope to see them at some point.
At some point, eventually.
But
It'll happen.
For now, we walk.
We walk?
We walk.
We walk. We walk to where?
We walk this way.
Okay.